Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your eye health: the Visoone blue light blocking glasses. These stylish glasses have gained popularity for their ability to protect your eyes from harmful blue light emitted by screens, making them an essential accessory for anyone who spends long hours in front of digital devices. The Visoone glasses are not just functional, they also boast a chic, preppy design, perfect for both men and women. Available in multiple colors, including the trendy basil green, these glasses seamlessly blend style with utility. With their lightweight TR90 frame, they promise a comfortable fit that you can wear all day long without any pressure on your ears. So, what makes these glasses stand out? With the increasing use of LED screens in our daily lives, from laptops to smartphones, exposure to blue light has become a significant concern. Studies suggest that prolonged exposure can lead to eye strain, visual fatigue, and even disrupt sleep patterns. Visoone blue light blocking glasses effectively filter out up to 99% of harmful blue light and provide UV 400 protection. This means you can enjoy your favorite shows, work on your computer, or scroll through your phone without worrying about the adverse effects on your eyes. Whether you're a student pulling an all-nighter, a professional working from home, or just someone who loves gaming, these glasses are designed for everyone. Their non-prescription design allows you to use them as is, or you can opt to fit your prescription lenses into the stylish frame, ensuring that everyone can benefit from their protective features. But it's not just about looks and protection. The Visoone glasses are crafted with high-quality materials that make them not only flexible but also durable. This means they can withstand the rigors of everyday use without compromising comfort or style. Plus, their anti-blue light coating ensures that you stay stylish while safeguarding your eyes. Caring for your Visoone glasses is simple. They come with a soft cleaning cloth and a protective case, making it easy to maintain their clarity and extend their lifespan. Eye health is essential, especially in our digital age. Protecting your vision doesn't have to come at the expense of style. The Visoone blue light blocking glasses give you the best of both worlds, functionality and fashion. So, if you're looking to protect your eyes while keeping your style game strong, the Visoone blue light blocking glasses are your best bet. With a price point that's easy on the wallet and a design that fits any occasion, they're an investment in both your eye health and your personal style. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Stay stylish and protect those eyes.